Hello everybody and hi DB fam. I'm Prisha. Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is a very special video which is something very close to my heart. Yes, I'm a very big fan of Selena Gomez since 2010. At that time I was just 13 years old watching Wizards of Waverly Place and all her songs. Let's go back to the Rare Beauty flashbacks. By the time she launched Rare Beauty, I knew that it's not gonna be available in Malaysia. As a Selenator, it's always hard for me to get Selena Gomez merchandise or anything that released by Selena Gomez. On 15th of July 2021, Rare Beauty was officially launched at Malaysia Sephora. Hi! Finally, Rare Beauty have arrived, so I wanna do unboxing. By the way, it's my first time purchasing at Sephora. Thank you. So it's a very special purchase. Since it's my first time experience, I was so speechless and happy. Since Selena announced that Rare Beauty going globally, I was the happiest girl in the world. Rare Beauty! So this is what I bought from Rare Beauty. This one is the melting blush, Stay Vulnerable. And she told us the date of releasing Rare Beauty at Malaysia. I hardly can wait and can't sleep at night. This is my most favorite, the melting blush. I always wanted a compact type of blusher, and finally my Selena did it. Look how beautiful it is. Next, liquid eyeshadow, Stay Vulnerable. So back to the story. When the date arrives, I can't sleep and kept on checking Sephora whether it is out or not. This one is nearly neutral. Girls, you gotta get this. I really in love with this liquid eyeshadow. This is my favorite, one of my favorite too. This is how it looks. Next, we have glossy lip balm, Nearly Rose. And I woke up early around 10 a.m. and straightly purchased what I planned to buy. So the lip gloss looks like this. After I bought it, I kept on checking my order status. In a day, they packed and sent for shipping. The most fastest service ever. Look at it, guys. How beautiful the color is. Wow. Finally, we have matte lip cream. They gave me as a free gift. It's came in Fearless Gold. So let's see how it is. So if you guys bought it from the app, the product will be shipped from Singapore. So cute. I ordered Rare Beauty on 15th of July and I received it on 21st of July around 5 p.m. So that's all I bought from Rare Beauty. So the most favorite is this, the blush, melting blush. I feel like I want to eat. So guys, I'm gonna remove my makeup right now. Okay guys, let's start doing the makeup. Since I haven't bought the Rare Beauty foundation, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm gonna clip my hair because it's disturbing me a lot. Okay, so let's start. The reason why I haven't bought the Rare Beauty foundation is, where is my foundation brush? Okay, it's because I already have two foundations that I haven't finished yet. So I don't want to waste it. Let me do this first before it dries. I rarely go out since this pandemic occurs, so most of my makeup products are sleeping inside the cupboard. And blend, 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 blend. So I do have pimple scars, acne scars over here, here, yeah. So I'm gonna add more. I'm really trying my best to finish up all my makeup products before it expires. I do have a very bad dark eyes. I don't know how to get rid of this. Getting distracted with the messages. Okay. And done. So guys, I forgot to tell you guys, before I apply my foundation, I already applied my toner and moisturizer. Okay? Take care of your skin. Okay? So next we are going to conceal my dark spots and my panda eyes. Nowadays I can't sleep well. You know why? Because of Rare Beauty. Since the day she announced that Rare Beauty is going globally, I was like, will the Rare Beauty products available in the Sephora, Malaysia? And I was like, I don't think so. It's gonna be available in Malaysia, you know, because it's very hard to get any of her merchandise. At least I can buy her products that made by her. Imagine she touched this. I know I'm kind of crazy right now. Okay, let's apply the conceal and then I want to blend out. Okay. I love this. Yeah, I'm using the Maybelline. What is this? Instant Age Rewind Eraser multi-use concealer. I'm not old. I'm just 23, you know. Okay. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. Let's apply this. Okay, let's blend. When I received these Rare Beauty products, I straight away make a TikTok and a reaction video because being a Selenator, it's my first time experience having her product that created by her. Everything comes from her, you know. I'm getting emotional right now. I'm trying my best to not to cry. Okay, back to the story again. When I posted the TikTok video after I get the Rare Beauty products, guess what happened? Rare Beauty liked my video, guys. It's been a dream for me, you know. So usually after I woke up, I'll straight open TikTok and watch some entertaining videos to boost up my mood. So as usual, on 23rd of July 2021, after I woke up pretty late. I know. You know why? Because I sleep late. I can't sleep at night thinking about this Rare Beauty. I opened the notification section and I saw Rare Beauty liked your video. I was like, oh my god, what just happened? What just happened? I was just jumped off from my bed. I ran to the hall and then I showed my mom, my siblings, and I was like crying. She liked my video. Rare Beauty liked my video. As a Selenator, I'm the most happiest girl in the world. Okay, blend it back. I was jumping here and there, crying in happiness, and I was feeling on top of the world. To the girls out there who have dark eyes as me, you are beautiful, okay? Don't worry about your eyes, your panda eyes. It's beautiful, okay? Oh, to release my stress out, usually I will make up like this because I'm not a person who does a heavy makeup. I love to have a natural makeup, so I'll just set up my makeup with a powder. Okay, so what I did after she liked the video, so I screen recorded it and posted on TikTok. As usual, I tagged her and tagged Rare Beauty. She commented on my video, guys. She commented heart emoji. I really didn't expect that Rare Beauty will comment to my video. All I wanted to say is thank you so much for everything, Selena. Okay, so let's try the Rare Beauty product. I can't wait to try all of this. It smells very good. I feel like I want to eat. Especially this one. This one looks so beautiful, guys. I love this. Oh, finally I have it. So first we go for the eyes. Very hard for me to say this word, vulnerable. I'll say vulnerable. So first I'm gonna do my eye. So I'm gonna use the Stay Vulnerable liquid eyeshadow, nearly neutral. It says that it is a waterproof liquid to powder eyeshadow that delivers effortless blending and smooth and crease resistant color. Let's open it. I'm gonna keep this box forever because every time I open this box, it is written that you are rare. Thank you for reminding me that I am rare. So let's apply on my eye. I haven't bought Rare Beauty's eyeshadow brush yet, so I'll use mine first. Let's blend it. So this is the first layer. I'm gonna do the second layer. If you have a very dark eyes as me, it's gonna take time, guys. I really love the color. So look at the color, guys. It's so natural. I love it. I'm so in love with the eyeshadow, guys. Next is blusher. So I'm gonna use this Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush. So this breakthrough formula delivers a weightless wash of soft focus color that melts upon contact for a second skin finish. I really can't wait to try it. I never have heart to do this. Oh my god, I'm ruining it. Okay. Guys, look at the color, guys. Look at the color. Seriously, it's so soft, so natural. I'm loving this right now. I'm loving this right now so much. I'm looking pretty with Rare Beauty. Okay, let's move to the lip gloss. So this is the Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm in code Nearly Rose. So they said that seriously, how do we pronounce this thing? It's okay. Hydrating lip gloss that delivers a high shine color with the cushiony feel of a balm. To be honest, I never been used any lip balm or lip gloss in my life, so this is gonna be a very new for me. So when you open this, you see, it came up by itself. I love that. Okay, let's apply on my lips. It curves. Easy to apply this gloss. So this is the first layer. very comfortable. This is how I wanted to look always. Honestly, I really love this. Okay, let's apply the second coat. I'm so in love with this. I'm obsessed. I want to buy all the Rare Beauty products. I'm gonna be a big fan of Rare Beauty. What can I say for this? What can I say? How can I explain to you guys? It's so beautiful. You see the color, the lip gloss. Guys, do you know what I really did to get this Rare Beauty? I tried to get it by searching all possible ways, such as searching at Shopee, Lazada, and many more, but I didn't get it. There's some sellers really sell Rare Beauty, but it's so hard for me to trust people, so I didn't buy from them. So I waited. Rare Beauty officially released it at Sephora Malaysia. So guys, now we are going to try lip cream in code of Fearless. It says that a whipped lip cream that delivers comfortable one-stroke color with a vivid and vividly finish. So let's try it. I'm gonna wipe this off. Okay, let's apply. Okay, next I'm gonna apply the mascara from Silky Girl, since Rare Beauty didn't launch a mascara yet. Finally, my lashes are done. Let's go for another coat. This is made by Selena Gomez. So I have to take care of the... Oh my god, guys, I nearly forgot to draw my eyebrows. I usually use brown eyeshadow for my eyebrows. Oh my god, guys, I'm really in love with this makeup. Let's do my hair. It feels like you don't care. Why don't you recognize I'm so rare? Why I love Rare Beauty is because personally I love whatever Selena does. Secondly, the product is very comfortable. It gives natural look, which is my most favorite because I always prefer a natural makeup. Usually when I put makeup, I feel like it's so heavy. I have to wash it off. I'm not comfortable with it. It gets so oily. So now I don't have that issues at all. Besides that, Rare Beauty products are very easy to use. Like in 5 minutes we can finish our makeup. I'm very happy that I finally found a product which is very comfortable and weightless. It's cruelty free and vegan, sulfate and paraben free. How amazing is that? So that's all from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a Selenator, do comment at comment section. Hi Selenators! And if you like this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share this video to your Selenators and your family and friends. Also, turn on post notifications for the shout out. Bye! Stay safe, stay positive. Remember, you are rare.